हेलो फ्रेंड्स। हम पहले देख चुके हैं कि हम फेसबुक के अपने पर्सनल अकाउंट को प्रोफेशनल अकाउंट में किस तरह कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं और इसकी वजह से हमारे पास प्रोफेशनल डैशबोर्ड अपीयर हो जाता है। आज की वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे कि हम अपने इंस्टाग्राम के पर्सनल अकाउंट को बिजनेस अकाउंट में किस तरह कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं। क्लिक ऑन योर इंस्टाग्राम ऐप इन योर मोबाइल, देन क्लिक ऑन एडिट प्रोफाइल. Here you will see the option switch to professional account. Click on it. Here you are having some description about it. Continue. Now you are having this screen. Here you have to decide what describes you the best. Select from any of the option given over here. We can change it anytime in future. So right now I am selecting personal blog. Now you will be moved to the screen where you need to decide what describes you the best. Either you are a creator or a business. So I am right now selecting creator. It is asking you to sign up for resources and offers to help grow your brand. If you want, you can switch it on. Continue. Share logins using account center. Okay, continue. Now it is showing you 4 steps to convert it into professional account. I am doing it one by one. Press first get started. It is showing a few profiles to get inspired. You can follow any of these accounts to get inspired. Press on the right button. Now it is completed. Move on to the second one, how to grow your audience. There are so many options available over here. You may choose any one of it. I choose follow accounts. These are my already followers and friends. Either I can select any one of it, and either I can skip this step. So moving on to the next one. It is completed. Now the next one is to create any post. Right now I'm not creating any post, but you can create any of the posts right now over here at this step. I haven't completed this step, that's why it is showing me that 3 of 4 steps are completed. Now I have done it. Now my professional business account has been set up. There I can add more links to connect to my clients. Already I have added one my link of Linktree. The last there is an option that you want to display your profile. Let's add one more link in our profile. Here I am going to add the link. I can add my Facebook profile with it, so I am just connecting it. Add profile link. Now I can add any external link also, like my YouTube channel or any of my website. Right now I am adding my YouTube channel URL over here, and after adding it I will give a title to this URL which will be displayed to my friends and followers. So here I am giving the title. Press the right button. My Facebook profile link is now displayed over here. One more link is also added, so once anyone click over here they can see my YouTube channel. Here I am changing my personal blog to video creator. See, now look at my profile. Now it is written, rather than personal blog, it is showing video editor. So by these steps our Instagram business account, or you can say the professional account, has been set up. If you like the video, just press the thumbs up. Don't forget to share my channel and subscribe my channel.